Getting ready. After breakfast, Anna goes to her room. She puts on her clothes. She wears a white shirt and blue jeans. She puts on her shoes. Her shoes are black. She combs her hair. Her hair is brown and long. Anna takes her school bag. Her bag is red. She says, "I am ready." Her mother says, "Good girl." Her father says, "Have a nice day." Going to school. Anna walks to school. The school is near her house. She sees trees, birds, and cars. She sees a dog. The dog is white. The dog barks. Anna says, "Hello, dog." Anna sees her friend. Her friend's name is Sarah. They walk together. They talk and laugh.